afternoon.
Good afternoon. Neka?
Yes, please.
Awesome. Oh, wow. Please, could you move your chair forward? I'm a bit tall.
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
You're
Right,
welcome.
here we go.
Yeah. So I can start the trip?
Absolutely.
This one my madam book easy rice for me today. Oh, wow, life sweet too. Every time go dey tell person trek. Which kind thing make person enjoy small? God oh. Madam, see phone wey person don leave am for inside this motor. See phone oh. See good phone oh.
Okay, make I get some.
See good phone na so they go don dey fight person wey they go say don thief. If say me I don comot now, maybe person carry am, they go say I don thief am.
Okay, thank you. Well done. Thank you.
Which kind thing na
Abeg, make I get some.
Na so I be good person o. If not, I for don carry this phone don dey go.
Okay, well done. Make I get some.
Let
Thank
you
you.
know anything.
Well done. Thank you. You too well.
Which kind thing be this one now? Why they go dey do this kind thing now? Na because I dey in a good. If I carry this phone now go now, they go dey swear for me now. Madam, you go find me something o. You go find me something.
Okay, you dey on your own o.
The person go find something for you now. You no go don find me something.
Okay, you dey on your own like this. I go return this phone to the owner. God bless you. God bless you.
Shey na God bless you, I go chop.
You dey on your own o.
Madam, na wow, life no be like this o. You go don find me even though na 200 naira sef.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Well done, sir. How was work today?
Work is fine. We bless God.
Oh, well done, sir. Well done, sir.
Thank you. So, how is the business now? How is the stress, the protest, and the stuff? Yes.
Oga, we dey o. We dey. God dey.
God go shall help us for this country.
Amen. Amen. Well done, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So, I'm not really going too far. I think I want to get something in that. There's a supermarket in front there, so you just drop me there.
Okay, sir.
So, how is the family now?
We are fine, sir. We are fine, sir.
Okay. Just stop me here. I don't forget something like something. Stop me here, please.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, I saw the amount on the. Okay, so take this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. You too.
Yep.
Run.